Boy, you know your bitch is not fucking with Megan. Your nigga not even fucking you naked. He put the tip in and then you stuck
So today we just come to check out the Hilux EV. So we'll just take a quick look at it now. It's pretty cool. It's just been painted. So sort of like the factory like Crumpy colors. So anyways, we'll take a look at it now. Still in pieces, but it's pretty cool. It's four-wheel drive as well, I'm pretty sure. So the batteries just sit in the back here. It's all been sandblasted and coated, even though there's still a bit of rust starting. I was really surprised when I saw it, because it was just like, what? An EV? Hilux? Damn, look at that paint. It's so crisp. You can't see much, but under this is a good old electric motor. Under there. So yeah, four-wheel drive as well, and it's running, pretty sure it's running the factory gearbox. Or some sort of gearbox, transfer case. That is so awesome.